This is the box. It came today. And at first when they reached out, I was like, you know what? I don't know, girl. I don't know about getting my address out and all that good stuff. But we're going to see what I got. So this is the box. It's a big box. Let's see what's in it. So they sent me some BS. We don't have, and then they sent me something crazy. I got it on camera. 2 bags that were in there. These are the 2 bags I'm going to... Okay, on here it says they sent me 6 packs of crochet braiding twist hair, 18 inches, long bohemian, I can read, I swear, long bohemian curly hair water wave. So it looks like they sent me the ombre 27 and ombre 30. Now I got about no hair. Rubber bands. A little booklet on how to clean it and properly install the passion twist. Got a few little gems. I don't know if y'all can see that. Got a few. Girl, no, they didn't. Now this is in each bag. This is the first bag. I got a crochet needle. So a few clips in here. I lost the other one, y'all. Oh, it's a hand mirror. So a mirror comes with it as well. It's a little cute. Little hand mirror. Now on to the meat. To a good substance. Okay. This is the hair that's sent. Well, let's pull it out of the pack, shall we? So they did say it's 18 inches. I usually, the past couple times I've done it, oh, it's really soft. It's very soft. Initial review is very soft. It's very, very soft. I usually use the free tress, but this is a lot softer than the free tress. It doesn't have that that plasticky feel. If you wear crochet, then you know what I mean. But it definitely doesn't have that crochet feel. But this is a 27. I'm not sure you can see it. Very bouncy. But yeah, it's really soft. That's my initial review, and of course I'll do a review again once I style it. But I'm really excited that they sent me this. For those who think they're not doing anything, keep doing it. Once I install these, I will let y'all know how I like it. I just wanted to come and show you my passion twist that I received from a vendor from Amazon. Just trying to give you a full 360 view. Well, let me do the full 360. My initial review on this hair is most definitely a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, however you want to say it, whatever, thumbs up for me. I received 12 packs of hair total. I will definitely put the link in the description box of where the vendor sent it from. I love the hair, it's awesome. I be feeling myself, I'm still feeling myself. It's very soft, and to be honest with y'all, no shade to free tress, no shade at all, but I'm being 100% honest with the way I know how to be. This hair is a lot better than free tress. I did my friend's hair and my friend did my hair, and we both said the exact same thing. This hair is more manageable than free tress. It doesn't tangle as easy as free tress, and it's softer than free tress. It doesn't have that actual synthetic feel, if that makes sense. So I hope I helped you guys out with showing you how I installed it or how my friend did it on me. So hopefully y'all can practice, conquer this crochet world. I know I damn sure will. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all next time. As stated before, my friend did my hair and I did my friend's hair. We began on blown out hair for her because her hair was super, super thick, which is such a blessing. And this is the hair once I've separated it. For each braid, I want to say we used about 3 to 4 pieces because we made the part so big. And on here, I just simply crocheted the hair under the rubber band method because we are doing the rubber band method. Because if you're anything like me, yeah, I don't know about that grip, you know. So, of course, you know, you crochet it through. I'm just tightening the hair. Just making sure, you know, that rubber band didn't slip, which it tends to do. And here you see me tucking in her hair into the crochet hair as much as possible so it'll blend really well. And from there, you just twist. I just twisted how I usually do a normal twist out on my natural hair, and it came out the exact same. When doing it on others' hair, you have to make sure you're not pulling because again, that rubber band will become loose, and you just slowly but surely work your way on down and keep twisting. This was about, I guess, a quarter of the way through. I was very proud of myself, and this is the final outcome. I was so proud of myself, you guys. It's my first time doing it on anyone else. We definitely used about 7.5 packs total on her head, and we mixed it a little with the TWISTS. And like I said before, you definitely notice a difference between this hair that I purchased and the TWISTS hair. Now here's a more detailed view of once we got to my head, how I did the same exact thing. Crochet it through, feed the hair through the loop. You know, you want to tug that loop a little bit to make sure it's tight as possible. You separate the crochet hair, which is what she's doing now, and then she separated my hair and tugged again, of course, for the rubber band. And once you make sure that's all detangled and my hair's tucked, and don't, you know, spend too much time trying to tuck the hair in, but once that's all said and done, just begin to twist as if you would a regular twist out. And it's very easy, very simple, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, be sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, queens, peace.